So over here you can see that I have some video footages, and let's just go around and bring in this one right here. So what I'm going to do is, let's say for example, this is my video clip right here. I'm going to go around and cut off the beginning part, and right around over here, let's say when the person looks, it pans around and looks, I want this part to freeze. I want the frame to be held in this particular place. In that case, you can utilize the freeze option. So to do that, you need to right click on this particular clip when the cursor is on the section where you want to freeze, and then you can go around on the top onto the edit portion right here, and then click on freeze right here. Once you do that, a freeze frame has been created, as you can see right here. So as you go around and play the video, you can see that it actually freezes over here just like this. And then you can go around and pull this out as long as you want, and you can see that that is what you have. It freezes out right here. So once it is over, you can see that the video continues over here just like this. You can go around and right click, go to edit, and then freeze right here, and you can see that you get a freeze frame generated over here just like this. And that is how you can use the freeze option inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.